Roxy. I wish you were real. Roxy!
Introducing Roxy. Roxy the Fox is the Rolling Reader's adventurous new mascot. You'll spot her hanging around the library's early literacy outreach van and making friends with kids all over the county. With her big personality and bigger love for books, Roxy's mission is to inspire kids to get their very own library cards and read every single day. When she's not buried in a good mystery or giggling over a silly picture book, Roxy is a bit of a handy fox. She loves tinkering and fixing things on the Rolling Reader. She's also a champion at all kinds of games, though she swears she doesn't always win. Her favorite game is hide and seek. Roxy loves to dance, and she'll never turn down a chance to show off her moves. Her signature dance move is called the Storytime Slide. Here are some other fun things about Roxy. Her favorite snack is apple slices. Her bestie is a stuffed owl named Paige Turner. Her favorite book genre is anything with a clever plot twist. Her hidden talent is giving the very best slow motion high fives. So when you see Roxy, say hello and don't be shy. Show off your best dance moves. She just might teach you a new one.